I know, this SpongeBob is a rerun.
What is all this apple juice? Oh, that's unsweetened. We don't want the kids to have too much sugar.
Now I know why Jaden ran off.
Now I'm worried.
Hey, look, don't worry. They're probably just playing Hide from Daddy, just like you and Calvin used to do when y'all lived. And you remember how fun that was?
But you never used to look for us. That was the fun part.
I hate you too. I love you. Call you later. Bye-bye.
Come on, man. I need you to focus, man. We gotta find G.
I know, but Jackie, she keep calling me, dog.
I never heard the phone ring not one time.
Well, I mean, I accidentally called her 17 times. How do you know women be tripping? Go on. What's up, dog? Over there.
I heard somebody in the kitchen.
Wait.
Hey guys.
Hey!
Oh,
Hey!
Janine's home. Where are my babies?
Hey! No, Curtis was drank out of the baby's water bottle. Oh, Curtis. You know you drank out of that water.
I ain't trying to hide out there.
Who wants my baby?
He drank out of the water bottle. Ain't nobody else. The baby's a guy. Hey,
Where are my kids?
the children.
Where are my kids?
Kids are, they would. There he is. Look at him. He was in the closet. The whole time. So I was getting ready to tell you he was hiding in the closet.
He was hiding in the closet?
Yeah, that's what he wanted to
Okay,
surprise.
well, where's Hayden?
She's taking it now.
She's taking a nap. You wanna go see Hayden? Let's go.
Yeah, see, everything worked out perfect. That's wonderful. That's fun.
Hayden's not up here.
No, stop it. You got
I just played.
Next, House of Payne. When Floyd introduces his new girl, I think
She looks familiar, though.
Pops discovers she's not what she seems.
Gina.
Don't go away. Tyler Perry's House of Payne. Right back.
You're so